Namaste all, this is Dr. Mansi. Welcome to my channel Plant Passion 16. Today we are going to see one of the most beautiful plant, that is the orchid, and that too a ground orchid, Spathoglottis plicata. Now we all know most of the orchids are epiphytic, that is they live on the stems or branches of the bigger trees. But this one is a ground orchid, that means it can grow in the ground. Now what all are the requirements of this orchid? The blooms, the color of the blooms, when do they bloom, and what are the requirements? The soil, water, sunlight. Let's check out that. So the one which I have bears the mauve color and the white color flowers, and this bloomed profusely in the month of October. So this is the flower, and I have kept the plant in full sun. Now these are the leaves, somewhat like the palm leaves, and I have kept it in a 8-inch pot. I got this in 2020 Jan, and see the condition of this orchid. It has one flower stalk, and there is no soil as such. There are multiple shoots coming out. So let's check the soil composition. So these are all the ingredients which I use for this recipe. It's the cocoa peat, and this one is the perlite. This is the compost mixed with some part of soil, and this is the neem khali, which acts as a fertilizing component as well as a fungicide. This is the bone meal, which actually promotes the flowering, and this one is sand. So we are going to make a very porous, well drained, light potting mix. I am mixing all the ingredients together. The proportion is not specific, it may change. Yes, and now we are filling this potting mix in the pot or container. Now just taking out the dried leaves. Now these dried leaves are due to the sun or naturally. They are because of the age. So I am filling this pot with the mixture which we have prepared. Very light soil, porous. I am just tapping the pot so that the soil is evenly spread in the pot. And yes, the container is ready. Now the second container, in the same manner, just taking out the dry leaves, taking out the old soil and filling the pot with the new mixture. Now even the old soil I am leaving in the pot itself so that the new and old soil mixes with each other. So both pots are ready and watering is done. And this is the result of this year. Just watch the gorgeous blooms. The best thing of orchids is they stay long, almost about 3 weeks to 1 month. Aren't they gorgeous? Now these flowers come in different shades of pink, mauve, white. Beautiful, but I have 2 of them. So the light requirements are, I keep this orchid in full sun, regular watering. The blooming time is after the rains, that is in October. I add mostly the compost, not a liquid fertilizer. I add compost every 3 or 4 months. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.